le whai o mātou loto a oiwa e puli. Soa ni mai anga lile mai. Te I mātou ma le whanau. O lina whawhia ina le nei ainga le tu. Ia tu mau le whea alofani alofa le tasi le tasi. Fo le vi inga ia te o Yesu. Amen. Oh. Oi olo uma lama lama Yesue Yesue oile olo olo wanganga Yesue Yesue. Koko mai fulele ya jawa pa me papia ai kile o kokala papia kile o kile papia o fa koi ala ke ya wona umele o kile o lele o me ya kile o me ya la ngai ya mala lele o tufana ai se me fa itali tua o tali tonu mai fa ala tala ile tua. Ele kasi se kai me ke lo ile tua every time ku wano ro ko ile tua de ke kai apa I va veanga e fa pere tamai fa manga lo ro to le la kinga so mai lo ya o skala na mo to
I can see it in your eyes that you are restless. The time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be. As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again. So let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again. So let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. Oh, I know the brightest star above was created by the one who loved more than we'll ever know, to guide you when you're lost. What started as a still small voice is raging now, and your only choice is to follow who you are. So follow who you are, 'cause this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again. Oh, this is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again. So let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you